So you might be trying to figure out how you can make a scrollable Instagram, post of some sort. So it's like a multi-photo collage that kind of goes through and you can swipe through. So you can do this using this app called Scroll. So you can download this app or some other apps too. I feel like this app tries to make you buy a bunch of stuff, but find the app that works best for you. You can use this Scroll application. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Scroll and download it, and it's going to ask for a couple of things. Number one, it's going to ask, if you want to, how you found this. You can fill it out whichever way you want to, and just go through and fill out the first couple sections. There's going to be a section that asks you to give it your photos. When it gets into this panel, you can see it tells you if you want to buy, try it for free. The top right button, there's an X button. Just tap on that, and it will go ahead and just, get you access to it anyway. Click on Don't Allow, and then we want to click on the plus button or the blank button. In this case, we can click the blank button, and you'll get this pop up again. Click on X. Now what we want to do is when we get into this page, this is our collage, right? So this is what the pages are going to look like. So we can start off by clicking onto like this little box right here and clicking on image. You want to give it full access to your photos, and you want to bring in the first photo. So in this case, let's say I wanted to use this as my first photo. I can tap on the photo here and click on accept. Now each grid line right here is one page on Instagram, or one post. So when people scroll, you'll see multiple posts. If you kind of make it bigger, you'll be able to see that now it's kind of bleeding into the other one. That's kind of how you can get the effect of kind of having a story or post that goes through multiple different pages. So I can do the same thing here. I can tap right into here or the plus button, image. I can go find another photo. Let's say I want this one. But let's say I want this photo going over the other one, right? What I can do is I can make this bigger. I can go through, make it bigger this way, right? Now this photo is not going to make any sense. It's just an example. So now if you look closely, this first page on Instagram is going to look like this. And when they scroll, they're going to see this. And you can just kind of keep doing that over and over and over again. There's also a crop button at the bottom. You can click on crop. And you can go and make this bigger or smaller depending on what you want to do. So you have that type of capability right here. So from here, you can just keep going through and making as many photos as you want to. And you can go through and just kind of keep adding it and all that stuff. But that's essentially how you do it. When you're done, you can click on the share button in the top right, save the photos down, and then upload those photos on Instagram. So that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.